Work from home is the buzzword these days. And why not? With skyrocketing costs and hectic schedules, it makes sense to save both time and money wherever one can. Cut down on lengthy commutes or a formal office work environment. Work from home is the new age genie that makes it all possible. In this video, we will share with you some tips that will help women succeed through work from home job opportunities. Hi, I am Umayma Malbari from Girls Bus. Our videos ensure that women have all the essential information to go on smoothly with their lives, their choices and struggles, their skincare routines and daily exercises. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with it all. Firstly, it is really important to have a routine. Now, many of us might find preparing a daily routine a bit extra, but it's really important to distribute tasks across your week. This also helps us to organize tasks based on priorities and preferences. For example, we can assign light household chores for ourselves on weekdays and assign bulkier and time-taking tasks on the weekends. Make sure to not be too harsh on yourself while making these schedules. After all, we need rest too. The next task is to set up a workstation. आज डाइनिंग टेबल, कल किचन, इसके बाद सोफा या फिर पूल साइड. Well, that's not the way to go for it. I know people search for work from home jobs for greater flexibility, but it's really important to have a dedicated workstation that helps you concentrate and stay focused. Take some time and create that productive corner from where you will do most of your work. It also gives you a sense of professionalism and helps you reach that creative or innovative state of mind. This will also help you to get things done faster and easier. हाँ, एक दो दिन आप अपने work location के साथ experiment कर सकते हैं. But it's always better to have a dedicated workstations in order to remove all the distractions. Take small breaks. Long work and excessive stress might lead to unproductiveness. So, it's necessary to take some small breaks amidst your work. This is important health-wise as well. Take a walk and move your body around a bit. It's not healthy to sit continuously in the same spot throughout the day. This can also lead to a creative block. So yeah, get moving once in a while. Maybe distract yourself with some little tasks like watering the plants, folding clothes or having tea or a short chit-chat in between work. जैसे ऑफिस में हम चाय ब्रेक लेते हैं या बाजू के क्यूबिकल में जाके किसी के साथ गॉसिप करने के लिए ब्रेक लेते हैं. You get it, right? Remember not to get swayed away with these breaks because you need to get back to work on time as well. Lastly, do not hesitate to say no or ask for help. Women often believe that we are responsible for everything around us. But that's not quite true. It's not possible for any woman to do it all. So, set those boundaries. Understand what's important and what is not. Also, never hesitate to ask for help. Career growth cannot be attained alone. People around need to be supportive. So don't hesitate to ask your partner to share the burden of housework equally. Even in workspaces, approach your co-workers if you want to learn something or if you're not familiar with some task. Working with these key points will help you to take off your career smoothly. It will also help you to stay satisfied with both your work and your personal life. If you're a woman working from home, then comment and share some tips with us that help you to effectively manage your work from home experience. We end today's video with the hope to see you once again. Bye-bye.